Hey everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's. Just wanted to stop in really quick today and tell you about some new things that are on the website and remind you about what's going up later today on our Facebook page, and also some favorites that are also back up there too. So first of all, I don't know if last night you saw the little teaser picture of this adorable eyeball swag for Halloween that is going up on the site. We actually just put the kit up there, so if you want to go ahead and grab the kit before the video post, you can go up there and get it. The kit is $25 and includes everything you need to create the swag like this. Here I've got it on the lantern. You can put it on a wreath. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. But it includes the eyeball stem, the black and orange curlicue stem, and the 3 ribbons, the yardage that you need for that too. So the video will be up on our Facebook, Insta, and YouTube tonight. But if you want to go ahead and grab the kit before it sells out, I know you guys know they sell out. We do have quite a few of these, but definitely don't wait. That is up there. Next up is our favorite Magnolia Stem. It has come back in stock. We sell a set of 3 of these online. I fluffed it out here, but these are great all year long. You get 3 of these for $26. You can see it's full. It has greenery and twigs with it. And this is a great item for all year. So I just wanted to remind you that is up there. If you wanted to grab those, again, you get 3 of those for $26. And that's our favorite Magnolia pick. The other thing that you guys loved last week that we had to reorder were our clear magical wreath hooks. A lot of people had questions about these, so I wanted to show them again. They're 5 inches. They hold 8 pounds. So if you have a heavy wreath, you have garland around your door, these work great. They also stick to not only glass, but metal. That was asked a lot too. And these are great. So we're selling a 2-pack of these for $13. They're under the floral kit tab there, and they are great. So we do sell out every year, but we're going to try and keep them in stock for you up there. But again, if you're going to hang wreaths on your windows for Christmas, anything like that, these are on our front doors and they're great. I'll show you one more time too. All you have to do, it's a cling, it's not a suction. Clean your glass really well, wipe down the metal, peel that little clear thing off the back, stick it on there, you're good to go. It's got the little metal hooks, so they're great. The other thing people ask a lot too is when you do remove them, they don't leave a lot of residue, a lot of gunk like a sticker would, so these are great to have too. So again, you get a set of 2 for $13 on those. Lastly, an item that we added to the shop deeslouisville.com today was this adorable flag Lori showed you last week that has the little attachments that go with it. So you get the welcome to our home flag, and it comes with these pins that go on both sides. So I wanted to show you again. This guy's $23 on the website, and it comes with all the parts I'm going to show you. So first up, you get the flag. It is double-sided, and then it has the little guys here that pin on. So they just have the pin on the back, and you get 2 of each for both sides. So it is reversible, and it comes with the snowman, the leaves, the little poinsettias, and the jack-o'-lantern. So all of that for $23. That's now up on the site under flags. So definitely check that out. And please don't forget to join us tomorrow. Lori's going to be doing a day at the races with you all day long, starting at 11. She has some adorable Kentucky and Derby themed items at really great prices. So tune in. You don't want to miss it. That starts tomorrow at 11.